Okay, so before moving on to a question now, let us check a small concept associated with cubes. If you have a large cube cut into 64 small pieces, this is how the diagram would appear. What we are supposed to understand here and analyze is the number of cubes with different faces painted. So for example, if you want to know the number of cubes with 3 faces painted, you will find that at the corners, you'll find those cubes at the corners. So number of corners are 8. Number of such cubes will be 1 per corner. So therefore you've got 8 cubes. To understand the number of cubes with 2 faces painted, right, which excludes the ones at the corners, obviously, because they've got 3 faces painted. So you need to look at the edges, not at the corners, in the center. So how many edges do you have? You have got 12 edges, right? And per edge, how many faces will you find? 2, not 4. So let's understand this. If this is the cube that we are wanting to focus on, these are the only 2 faces you're supposed to count. Please do not count these 2, as that will result in double counting and therefore an error. Or you could look at these 2, or these 2. So basically, per edge, you will only count 2 cubes. So 12 twos are 24. The number of cubes with 1 face painted, number of cubes with 1 face painted would be 24, because you would find them on the faces lying at the center. Right? So how many faces do you have? 6. How many cubes with 1 face painted? 1, 4. So 6 fours are 24. This is how it would go and fit in to this cube. Okay, you've got these 4 faces that we are talking about. Number of cubes with no face painted would be 64, which is the total number of cubes, minus 56, which is how much? Which is 8. Let's check the question. A cube is colored red on all its faces. It is cut into 64 smaller cubes of equal size. Which of the following statements are true? Based on the results that we have seen, you would realize that statement B and statement C is correct. Number of cubes with no face painted is 8. Number of cubes with 1 surface painted is 24. With 2 should ideally be 24, not 36. And at least 2. At least 2 means 2 or more than 2. So it should be 24 plus 8, 32. Therefore, sentence A or statement A and D are not right. What is right is statement B and C.